Good morning, students. Myself Kiran Yadav. I am your English teacher of class 4th. This is your new session, English Marigold, prescribed by NCERT for class 4th. So today we are going to discuss the lesson The Little Fir Tree. In our previous videos, we have read Noses. It was the poem, and now we will read the story The Little Fir Tree. So pages we will read 24, 25 and 26. Okay, so this lesson is about a fir tree. This is fir tree. Can you see there? So let's discuss about it first. Okay, now I am starting the lesson The Little Fir Tree. Shetty, the magician, was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Shetty looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. So here the magician, whose name is Shetty, was going to back his home one day, and what happened? It started raining heavily. So he saw a pretty, which means he saw a pretty. Pretty means attractive for tree. Okay, and run quickly to save himself from rain. Soon the rain stopped. Seti was happy that he did not get wet. So now rain stopped. Seti found that he was not wet but completely dry because of the fir tree. So children, tell me, opposite of wet is? Wet means gila. Wet. So opposite of wet is dry. Very good. Dry means सूखा. Wet means soaked in water. जो पानी से wet हो जाते हैं उसे हम बोलते हैं wet. ठीक है. So the magician did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. So here the magician thanks the tree and decided to reward it by granting 4 wishes. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes. He asked for 4 wishes. I will give you 4 wishes. You can ask me. You can tell me. And I will grant them, said the magician. So here the magician thanks the tree because the tree saved him from water. So next, page number 25. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nest on it. So it said, I wished I had green leaves like my other friend. So you can see in the picture the expression on tree's face is sad. Why? Because it had needles on it. So the tree wished for green leaves. जो फर ट्री होता है ना, जो क्रिसमस के दिन हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, वो जो फर ट्री लगाते हैं, तो जो उसकी नीडल्स होती है वो नीडल्स की तरह होती हैं. उसकी लीव्स बहुत शार्प होती हैं. सो वो हैप्पी नहीं था अपने लीव्स को लेकर. सो the tree wished for green leaves. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear. So here the next morning, what happened, children? The next morning, the leaves turn into green leaves. Yes, next morning the leaves turn green, and a goat came there. Can you see there? Goat came there to eat all the fresh green leaves. Now, oh dear, said the fir tree, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. So here now the tree was worried and wished for gold leaves so that goat would not eat them. So when the little fir tree woke up the next morning, he had found green leaves on the tree. But what happened? A goat came there and started to eat the fresh green leaves. And again, tree was worried and wished for gold leaves so that goat would not eat them. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. Then, next morning, what happened again? Yes, the next morning, tree had good leaves, gold leaves, and it was so delighted to see the gold leaf. So, the tree woke up the next morning, and the next morning tree had gold leaves, and it was so beautiful to see the gold leaves. Now what happened? And it said, how happy I am, and he started feeling happy because he found gold leaves. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. Then what happened? Now a thief come and stole all the gold leaves from the tree. Then I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. So now again the fir tree was worried because a thief came there and stole the gold leaves. Then again the fir tree wished for that he had glass leaf because people do not steal glass leaves. Okay, now the next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. So next day what happened? Next day the glass leaves were shining they brightly when sunlight fell on them. Now the tree was again very happy. So he again found his wish again came true. It found glass leaves on the tree and they were shining brightly when sunlight falling on them. So now the tree was again happy. At night the wind blew. Hoo, hoo, hoo. All the glass leaves broke. So what happened, children? Yes, when the wind blew, the glass leaves broke. Okay, now next page 26. So here, oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle. Can you see this picture? The glass it wished for glass leaves, and for the reason of wind, it blew away and and glass were broke. Okay. I like my old needle like leaves best, for goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. Okay. So here now the tree is worried about its broken glass leaves. After using its the three wishes, it wished the needle-shaped leaves because no goat would eat them. The men would not steal them, and they won't be harmed by the wind also. Okay, now so the tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. So the next morning, when the tree woke up, it noticed that the needle shaped leaves were back again. Can you see there? And what can you see? Happy face on the tree. Okay, because it found her needle, it found him his needles shape leaf. Okay, and the tree gets very happy. So children, uh, oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. So her he found its needle leaves back, and now the tree gets very happy. Now tree was so happy because the tree, yes, the tree found needle shaped leaves were back again. So children, what do we learn from the story? Yes, we learned that we should always appreciate the things or qualities we have instead of being greedy for all the other things. So we should always be happy what we have, which are things or qualities, whatever it is we have, we should always appreciate it. Okay, so this is an interesting story of a fir tree who once saved a magician named Seti from the rain. So the magician gets happy and feels for thank you, feels thankful for the tree. So he decides to grant 4 wishes to the fir tree. So the tree used all the 4 wishes to change its leaves. और 4 wish कौन कौन सी थी? फर्स्ट थी कि उसको नीडल शेप की जो उसकी लीव्स थी वो उसको पसंद नहीं थी. सो ही द ट्री विश्ड फॉर gold leaves. So no goats came there and started eating the green leaves. First he wished for green leaves, then gold leaves, and then glass leaves, and again he found needle shaped leaves were back again. So at last gets its original leaves back. So this is a story about a fir tree. So children, here your finished story. Now move to the new words. Pretty, needles, leaves, gold, stole. Stole is the past form of the steel. Pretty means beautiful, attractive. Needles means शार्प. लीव्स जो ग्रीन लीव्स होती हैं, पत्तियाँ. गोल्ड सुनहरा, इट इज़ अ वेरी प्रीशियस मेटल. स्टोल चुराना. ठीक है. आई होप you have understood this lesson and you have to read it out at your home. Thank you. Have a nice day.